Okay, just to give a quick overview of my project, it's basically a simple messaging app. I built this little web front end just as a means of testing, just inserting messages into a back end. And if we use the back end string, which is messaging rest get messages, we see all of the messages that have been previously inserted while I was testing it earlier on this evening. And from the front end, I'll do 109 course test message from person A to person B, and we'll submit that there. Now I'll be able to refresh that, and now we will see the message I inserted. As for the database, this is the setup. I just have a localhost database in HSQL where I just set up a very simple table using the following command. So create table messages with four columns. So I could just insert messages, basically a message ID, message, sender, and receiver. And here is the front end. So we'll do a quick get, and this essentially gets all the messages, and you can also see it here in the console. It essentially prints out all the messages. And that is the most recent message I added with the web-based front end. We can do it here. We can add an additional one here from the back end, or the other client. And we post that then to the database, the back end. We can do, we see that that message has been received. Now we can do a get here. That basically gets the data. We can also do an update. So we'll see what that is again. 405. And we do an update. It should work. Yeah. The client posted to the back end. We'll just run this again. Get messages. Okay, I have a lot of messages in there from testing. So we'll just search for it back here. And now we can do a quick delete. And if we go here, the message has been deleted. And here's another message we can delete. What we'll do is we'll update. And those fields get updated. And then we just clear these fields. And when we're done with the application, we can just close it down.